I meant you, bravo. You should vote for Ate because she's Ate.
So, okay, when you're going to do this, alright, you're going to vote, you're going to go to the voting area, you're going to vote for Jessica be Era, that's with a B, like that, okay? So when you do that, you vote for Homecoming, wait, is it Homecoming? Oh no, yeah, sing, you vote for that one, okay? Sige na, bye, okay, bye.
Vote for Ate!
Yeah, vote for Jessica. I would, but I don't even go here, so it's that important that you vote for her.
1. Vote for Miss Jessica for Homecoming Queen. She's a volunteer at our school. Yay! Vote for Jessica! Sierra! Oh, nice! Woo!
I think you should vote for Jessica as Homecoming Queen because she smells really good.
Vote for Ate because she's a good helper. Vote for her for Homecoming Queen. You're a queen, Miss Jessica.